Hello, I'm the tie guru and I'm going to show you how to do the Pratt knot. Personally, this is my favorite knot to do. This knot was made famous by Shelby, but it was actually created by Jerry Pratt. First, you start with your tie facing inside out and the seam showing outward. Take both ends and cross them outwards and the thin end goes on top. Now take the white end and thread it down in front of your collar button. You can then grab from underneath and bring all the way down. The next step is to put your two fingers in front of the tie. Then you take the white end across the front horizontally. The reason for your two fingers is to make the finishing knot easy at the end, as you will notice sooner. Now you can slowly adjust the tie after passing it from the back through the loop created by your two fingers. When this is done, you have a perfect V shape, as you can see right now. You can now adjust the narrower end of the tie as you deem fit and slowly pull up the tie to form a perfect knot. There you go, your Pratt knot has been formed and you can now go out looking your utmost best. If you love this video, subscribe for more. See you next time.